بكم مشاهدينا الأعزاء والحلقة الثانية من تغطيتنا لحفل جوائز دي سيني السينمائية لعام 2016. واحنا النهاردة بننقل لكم حلقتنا من فندق لمريديان شارع المطار. وفي هذه الحلقة إن شاء الله هنتابع تغطيتنا للتاريخ الحافل لحفل زي السينمائية. وطبعا عبر السنوات نجوم بوليوود المحببين والمفضلين لديكم أشعلوا المسارح وألهبوها كمان بأدائهم وتمثيلهم اللي استحالة إن احنا ننساه، وكمان أظرف لحظاتهم وحركاتهم الجريئة اللي بيعملوها على المسرح. وأكيد طبعا الأداء دوت هيفضل دايما الجزء المهم في حفل توزيع جوائز زي سيني على مر السنين وعبر السنوات القادمة، وهيستمر إن شاء الله.
कर दिया मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू glossy lips glossy tracks तेरी लगदी है killer oh yeah दिल करे तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर yo honey singer
बोतला खुल्लड़ दो, दारू शारू खुल्लड़ दो। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि अगर आप ना होते तो शायद मोहब्बत भी ना होती। खुली वादियों में किसी हसीना की साड़ी का रेशमी आंचल अपने महबूब के लिए इस कदर कभी ना लहराता। अगर आपने ना सिखाया होता तो शायद दो चाहने वाले अपने ख्वाबों की एयरलाइंस पे बैठ के स्विट्जरलैंड की सैर पे कभी ना जा पाते। हाँ, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि अगर आप ना होते तो शायद मोहब्बत ही ना होती।
مشاهدينا الأعزاء فاصل قصير ونرجع لكم لتكملة حلقة النهاردة. وعلى مر السنين استمرت جوائز زي سيني بإظهار الاحترام والتقدير للي قدموا مساهمات في عالم السينما الهندية مثل ياش تشوبرا، دهار مندر، شاتروغان سينها وسونيل دات. خلينا نروح ونشوف هذا التقرير.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest round of applause to the greatest icons of the Indian film industry, Mr. Rishi Kapoor and Mrs. Neetu Singh Kapoor.
सच कहता है हमको तुमसे हो गया है प्यार का करे, बोलो तो जी बोलो तो मर जाए हमको तुमसे।
ये अवार्ड देने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी हम सब के फेवरेट मिस्टर सुभाष घाई को।
कुछ भी नहीं रहता दुनिया में लोगों, रह जाती है दोस्ती। कुछ भी नहीं रहता दुनिया में लोगों।
I accept this award on behalf of my family, but this is not the end of the road. This is just the beginning of the beginning.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि बिना आपके क्या वक्त में इतनी यादें छुपी होती। क्या दिलों का मिलना सिर्फ एक दिन का इत्तेफाक होता या एक उम्र भर का सिलसिला भी बन पाता। हाँ, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि अगर आप ना होते तो शायद दिलों का मिलना सिर्फ एक इत्तेफाक होता। पर्दे पर दिखाया हुआ आपका सपना जब जब दिखता है, इस कायनात में जो कुछ भी तारीफ के काबिल है हमें वो सब दिखता है। खुदा माफ करे मगर दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलूं तो कसम इश्क की हमें आप में रब दिखता है। हम सबको आपसे मोहब्बत है, मोहब्बत को आपसे मोहब्बत है। खुद मोहब्बत को याद रहेगा आपका एहसान, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ये शोखिया ये बात जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतने का जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां।
All the Zohra Jabis on the floor.
मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। तुमसे ही जीते रहे, तुम पे ही मरते रहे जब तक है जी।
First of all, thank you, Zee Cine Awards, for giving us this opportunity, and a heartfelt thanks to Karisma and Katrina and Anushka for participating in this celebration and tribute to the one and only, the greatest of them all, सबसे अच्छे और सबसे प्यारे यश चोपड़ा जी के लिए।
مشاهدينا الكرام فاصل قصير ونرجع لكم، خليكم معنا. ورجعنا لكم تاني مشاهدينا الأعزاء، ودلوقتي موعدنا مع لقاء حلقة النهاردة مع الجميلة رافينا تندر. So, how are you guys? And we are so happy to have you here with us for the first time on Zia Flam. Welcome to Dubai, first of all.
Thank you so
Beautiful.
much. Thank you so
Pleasure
much.
for us to meet you. You look
Thank
gorgeous as
Thank
usual.
you. So are you. So are you.
Hello, PNG, my favorite.
Can I talk there?
Yeah, you can.
So I echo what she says, and I really feel Dubai women are beautiful, and jewelry makes them more beautiful.
Really?
Really,
You make women beautiful.
every jeweler does.
Exactly. So we'll start with the beautiful lady. So we would love to know about this beautiful icon, Bollywood actress. How was your beautiful journey?
The journey has been great. It's been 25 years, like how Saurabh was just telling everyone that it's their 25th store opening today, and it is my 25th year in the industry. And it's been a glorious journey, as whether it's opening jewelry stores, doing business, or it is, being in the industry. It is a journey of ups and downs. It's been a glorious path. But yes, nonetheless, whether it's Saurabh's line of work or my line of work, I don't think we, kind of back off from working hard towards it. So if you persevere, you are going to ultimately reach your goal. And I think that's fabulously, I can say that for him as well, and for me.
It's like she's a very, very positive person. So that's the biggest trait which she has. So positivity brings a lot of things. You know, it gets you courage, it gets you determination, it gets you the will to do something, it makes you more confident. I think that's something which I've always seen in her, and I've always admired that beauty, that whenever, whatever it is, she's always make a point to give 100% best. I think that's the whole secret of her being so successful and being so relevant and so beautiful today itself.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you, my God. I couldn't have said it better about myself.
So how do you see the collaboration with PNG Jewelries?
You know, I think like what he said, I kind of
you
second
can say
that.
whatever you want.
Yeah. I kind of second that, because I think jewelry plays an important part in everyone's lives, whether it's women or today men, because even men invest in jewelry these days, because ultimately, you know, this is something that's a piece of work that you're going to hand out to your next generations. You're going to give it ahead. So it's something that you don't stop yourself from, you know, that it's the right investment to do. I mean, today property prices can go up and down, but jewelry remains constantly growing.
Yeah, that's
you know, going
what
upward.
always my mom tells me. You always have to buy gold and keep it for the future.
Exactly. See, there you go. So that is a typical mentality which women have. But now I think men have also started seeing the plus of it. So jewelry is not only something that now is to make one enhance themselves or the way they look, but it has also become a very, playing an important part in people's investments. And so when you are putting in your hard-earned money, something that you've collected over the years to buy that one piece of jewelry, what you are looking for is a jeweler who's definitely not going to con you. You know, you're looking for someone who has trust, who has honesty, you have faith in, and someone you keep going back to. You know, because he gives you your money's worth. And I think that is something which PN Gadgil very strongly stands for. I'm proud to be associated with a brand that mainly believes in three things. That is trust, there's honesty, and then there is the fact of giving you back value for what you have purchased.
100% true. You have had the Salman Khan, the beautiful lady, Ravina. So how was the collaboration with both of them?
You're asking me or asking her?
Yeah, you.
They both started on the first movie. Ravina started her career with Salman. And so I think they are both my favorites. And I would say among the male star, he's one guy who I admire. Not because of anything else, but because of the way he carries himself, the way he dresses himself, the confidence he exudes. And I think both of them are people who really have the willpower to fight against things. They stand for a lot of things. Like Ravina has adopted children, a lot of good work. Salman has a foundation from where he helps people. So we really feel like, what you have earned success, you have earned glamour, you have earned money, but they give back to people. I think that's a very important trait when we believe in people who talk about honesty, who talk about commitment. So it's very important to have a brand ambassador who has the same values. And that's why we felt both Ravina and Salman are the perfect fit. And they both also share a very, very, very good rapport. I think they both look awesome together. So I would really say that we are blessed to have both of them together.
You're mashallah so young. How all this started? Mashallah, I'm not envy you. All the best, and I wish more success for you. You're so young, I can tell. How all this started?
The company? Yeah. So we started in the year 1832, which was 184 years ago. So there was a small place in western part of India which was called Sangli, which had 6 lanes. So Saha Galli was why it was called Sangli. And that was where the whole company started. We still go on the streets of the village. And from there we started a store in 1832. And I'm proud to say that we still have the same store on the same location for the last 184 years. So I think there's no other brand in the world which is on the same location for so many years. People have
Exactly what I was telling you, that this is the kind of, a legacy that one leaves behind. I mean, his grandfather started it and left behind. And the very fact that that store is standing there from the past 184 years proves that there is trust and faith and honesty, that people believe in this brand. There's credibility. You know?
And how you get attached to the brand?
Okay, that's a long story, but we kind of didn't know each other, but I think through mutual friends, and we kind of just worked out a deal. It started more on a friendly basis actually, and now his family is very close to me, and I think it's become more of something for me, and even for Salman. Saurabh no longer is someone whom we work with. I think PNG and Saurabh Gadgil have become part of our families actually.
So from our side and the Arabic fan side, we are congrats you on your beautiful Chaya wedding, marriage.
Okay.
Yeah, so we would love to congratulate you for that.
Thank you.
So as a mother, how would you advise the women nowadays and the new married couples?
See, honestly, when I adopted my 2 little girls, I was only 21. And for me, they're more my friends, than what I would say daughter. So when someone says daughter, even I find it a little funny, because now the way they're literally bringing up my kids now, because I can almost see the generation come in. My children, my biological children are small, but luckily for me, both the girls make me very proud. Both of them are married. My older one already has a baby and well settled, and I think basically, like he said, all what matters, even in a marriage towards the end, is your upbringing. So what you are as a person, how successful you are, what you do, how you deal with life, it all ultimately stems from the fact as to how you've been brought up, what values you've been taught, what morals have been instilled in you. And that is something where the kids, I hope, will take forward, and that will be my legacy.
Inshallah, that will be perfect. So the advice for the new couple marriage, what would you advise them? To come and buy some jewelry from him?
Married, but you're asking the wrong person. He's married yet.
No, but he will advise them only one thing: to come and buy some jewelry
Then
from
I'll
you.
give him, yeah, exactly.
So what I tell women is, keep a wife happy. So jewelry does 2 things. It makes you happy and makes you secure. I think both these things are very important in life. So one is we need to have some security. So I really tell people, whatever investment you're doing, 10-15%, put it in gold. It's going to be like a safety for you whenever you need. Because after cash is the most liquid asset you can have. It works in every country. It's universal. And I would say second thing is women looks beautiful with jewelry. A guy can, go into a woman's heart with jewelry.
I will be looking more beautiful in PNG jewelries.
Inshallah.
But I would love to have a message from you to all your Arabic fans here in the Middle East.
Hi, this is Ravina Tandon, and I think my heartfelt message, which I have been saying to people since I started realizing what life was all about, is live and let live. It's a short life, it's a beautiful life. We don't know what we're going to, or where we're going to be later, so enjoy it. Be happy, make the people you love happy, and like I said, live and let live.
وبكده مشاهدينا الاعزاء نكون وصلنا لنهايه حلقه النهارده. بتمنى ان حلقتنا النهارده تعجبكم، واستنوا الحلقات القادمه لاني انا محضره لكم مفاجآت كتير قوي قد كده. وما تنسوش تتواصلوا معنا على صفحات التواصل الاجتماعي الظاهره امامكم على الشاشه لمعرفه المزيد من تغطيتنا لجوائز زي سيني السينمائيه لعام 2016. وقبل ما نقفل معاكم الحلقه خلينا نشوف شويه مقتطفات مع الكينج شاروخان والاداء بتاع السنه اللي فاتت.